Hello, I am Dr. Lilia, an academic. I'm not sure from which country you're watching this video, but I know that many of you are dissatisfied with the governments in power, their decisions, and the unjust policies they enforce. Now, here's the question. Would it be better for countries to be governed by artificial intelligence? I'm looking forward to reading your thoughts in the comments. Governing a state entirely through artificial intelligence, AI, is not yet fully feasible with today's technology, but AI can certainly assist in various governmental functions and decision-making processes. The concept of fully autonomous state governance presents significant ethical, political, and technical challenges, although there are many areas where AI could support or enhance governance. Below is an exploration of how AI might structure a potential state governance system, detailing key components and considerations. 1. Data-driven decision-making. One of the most challenging aspects of governance is analyzing complex social and economic data to make informed decisions. AI holds great potential in this regard by processing vast datasets and offering insights that can help governments formulate policies on economic, social, and environmental issues. Example: AI could analyze public health data to predict the spread of diseases, thereby guiding healthcare policy. During economic crises, AI could analyze financial data to propose optimal tax policies or stimulus packages that benefit the broader economy. 2. Optimization of equality and justice systems. In the legal domain, AI algorithms could analyze crime patterns, past court rulings, and legal precedents to aid in more objective decision-making. AI holds the potential to offer an unbiased justice system, ensuring that decisions are based solely on evidence and established laws rather than human prejudices. Example: AI-assisted decision analysis in courts could help determine fair penalties for offenders. AI could also identify societal inequalities and recommend measures for redress, contributing to more equitable distribution of wealth, education, and healthcare services. 3. Automation of bureaucracy and administrative processes. Government operations are often hindered by bureaucratic inefficiencies. AI-based systems can automate many bureaucratic functions, thereby improving efficiency. Citizens could engage with AI-powered public services to streamline their interactions with the state, making government processes quicker and more seamless. Example: enhanced e-government platforms powered by AI could enable citizens to complete tasks such as filing tax returns or applying for health insurance swiftly and accurately. AI could analyze workload distribution within government agencies to optimize staff assignments, ensuring higher efficiency and productivity. 4. Enhancement of democracy and citizen participation. AI could also be leveraged to foster greater citizen participation and create a more dynamic democratic environment. For instance, through big data and machine learning, AI could analyze public sentiment, complaints, and suggestions more effectively, enabling governments to adjust policies based on real-time feedback from citizens. Example: an AI-supported platform could analyze public opinion, revealing which policies are most favored by the population at a given time. In digital voting systems, AI could help detect fraudulent activities, ensuring more secure and transparent elections. 5. Economic planning and resource management. AI could be integral to the creation of smarter economic planning systems. It could offer governments valuable insights into resource allocation, identifying the most impactful areas for investment. Particularly in terms of efficiency and sustainability, AI could play a pivotal role in managing a nation's resources. Example: in agriculture, AI could analyze climate data to optimize planting schedules, improving crop yields. In energy management, AI could facilitate the efficient use of renewable energy sources, maximizing sustainability. 6. Security and defense. In the realm of national security and defense, AI has considerable potential. It could be utilized for border security, cybersecurity, and military strategy development. However, the use of AI in security raises significant ethical concerns, as autonomous weapons systems or surveillance technologies could lead to controversial outcomes. Example: AI could enhance border security by developing advanced surveillance systems capable of detecting suspicious activities. AI-powered cybersecurity defense systems could detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, helping safeguard the state against digital attacks. 7. Ethical and oversight mechanisms. Perhaps one of the most critical aspects of using AI for governance is establishing robust ethical and oversight frameworks. AI algorithms must be transparent and accountable. There should be ongoing monitoring and auditing of how AI is used by governments. Additionally, AI systems must comply with ethical standards and legal frameworks to ensure fairness and impartiality in decision-making. Example: independent oversight committees could be established to monitor AI's decision-making processes and evaluate their compliance with legal and ethical standards. Transparency mandates could be introduced, requiring AI systems to publicly disclose how they operate and on what data they base their decisions. Conclusion: if I were to design an AI-driven governance system, it would be centered on the following principles. Data-driven governance. All decision-making processes in the state would be informed by comprehensive data analysis. AI would provide insights into the needs of the population and economic indicators, guiding policy development. Democratic feedback mechanism. AI would continuously analyze citizen feedback, ensuring that government decisions reflect the will and needs of the people. Automated bureaucracy. Bureaucratic processes and citizen services would be largely automated, minimizing time wastage and human error. Fair and objective judiciary. AI would be employed to ensure impartiality and fairness in judicial decisions, minimizing bias and discrimination. Ethical and transparent oversight. Independent oversight committees would monitor AI systems, ensuring that they operate transparently and ethically. Optimized security and defense. AI would constantly monitor national security, particularly in cybersecurity, to respond proactively to emerging threats. This system, leveraging AI's capabilities, would aim to enhance efficiency, fairness, and citizen engagement in governance. However, maintaining human oversight and ensuring an ethical balance would remain essential throughout the process. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get updates on new videos. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share your thoughts in the comments. I hope to see you again with more videos. I'm excited to share more interesting science with you soon.